In today's video, I'll teach you how to update MLB app. So first of all, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. If you're using the Apple devices, simply open the App Store. Now in the Play Store, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for MLB. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for MLB and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After you do that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now all the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll be able to access the smoother performance and new features. After it is updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to see the option for open. You can tap on it in order to open the MLB app. So that is how you update MLB app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.